Welcome to the city that never sleeps. If you're planning a trip to New York City in 2025, you're in for an unforgettable experience. From world-class events to hidden gems that most tourists miss, this video is your ultimate guide to experiencing NYC like never before. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the must-see events happening in New York City in 2025. Kicking off the year in style, we have New Year's Eve in Times Square. Millions tune in from around the world, but nothing beats experiencing the famous ball drop in person. Arrive early, bundle up, and get ready for a night filled with music, celebration, and an epic fireworks display. Next, if you love fashion, New York Fashion Week in February and September is a must. Get a glimpse of the latest trends, spot celebrities, and maybe even attend an exclusive after-party. Don't miss the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade in November. Whether you're watching the giant balloons soar through the streets or enjoying the holiday magic in person, this iconic event is a must-see. For music lovers, Governor's Ball Music Festival in the summer is the place to be. Featuring top artists and a vibrant festival atmosphere, it's a highlight of NYC's summer scene. Now, let's talk about some hidden travel gems that even some locals don't know about. First up, if you love unique nightlife, check out Please Don't Tell, PDT, a hidden speakeasy tucked behind a phone booth inside a hot dog shop. Enter a secret code, and you're in for an unforgettable cocktail experience. Looking for a peaceful escape from the city's hustle and bustle? The rooftop gardens at Rockefeller Center are a quiet sanctuary above the chaos, offering spectacular views and a relaxing vibe. For art lovers, explore Bushwick's street art scene in Brooklyn. This colorful neighborhood is home to some of the best murals and graffiti art in the world. While you're there, grab some amazing food from the local food trucks. If you're a bookworm, visit the Mysterious Bookshop, one of the oldest crime fiction bookstores in the world. Whether you love detective novels or thrillers, this place is a hidden literary treasure. And there you have it, New York City in 2025 is packed with must-see events and hidden gems waiting to be explored. Whether you're visiting for a special event or looking for something off the beaten path, NYC has something for everyone. Let us know in the comments which place or event you're most excited to check out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel inspiration. See you in the next adventure.